Susquehannock High School opened in 1952. Major building alterations occurred in 1988 and 2001, but neither were complete building renovations. The current project will provide spaces to help meet the instructional needs for the present day and for the future.
Welcome to Susquehannock High School. I'm Principal Kevin Moeller, and I want to invite you to take a look at what's happening inside the high school during renovations and construction.
During the first phase of the project, the main offices have been moved to allow for renovation and construction on the north side of the building. You will notice the main entrance has moved to the south side of the building to accommodate the temporary location of the administrative offices. Reception now looks out over Fissel's Church Road, and the principal and assistant principal's offices are right next door. Across the hall is the temporary health suite, which holds the nurse's office and exam room.
Hello, I'm Randy Buffington, Director of Operations for the Southern York County School District. We're outside on the site of the high school project. Let's take a look at some of the things happening around campus.
Heading outside, there is a new back drive under construction. Once complete, it will offer a much more traffic-friendly entrance and exit to and from campus. This will allow for separation of bus and car traffic. Trees have been cleared, and work on this area continues on a daily basis. Where the main parking lot once stood between the high school and the stadium is the site for the addition to the high school. You can see where foundation work has begun, which is beginning to mark the outline of the new building. Construction is currently scheduled to be completed in 2024. For continued updates as renovation and construction continue, please visit www.sycsd.org/construction.